Hi guys, Joe Gosser here. I want to show you guys this tree. So I'm up on Lake Cushman, cruising at DNR timber sale, and there was a really bad storm up here. And there's some trees up here that I've never seen. So like, look at this. So this tree in the storm split. And it's split into these long, skinny, like boards. And you see that tree right there? Let me show you this. I don't know, this is wild. But look at that. It's like a spaghetti. It's crazy. But look at this. See that tree right there? It's split and splintered into like these like spaghetti things. And that's like, that broke off at like, I don't know, 60 feet, let's say. And that's like 20 feet up the tree. I don't know, it's weird. It's just crazy looking. Let me show you this. The storm was really bad, evidently. Let me show you this. Look at this. That's wild. So the tree broke way up top, and then it splintered like a bomb went off. And this is a piece of it. And it keeps going all the way out there. And that's another piece right there going like all the way up and around. And they connect to that tree right there. Anyway, thought you guys would like to see that. It's like a board. You see that? It's like a board. I don't know. Pretty cool, huh? All right. Well, you know what to do. Comment, subscribe, and like it if you even care. Of course you care.